Okay, so where I screwed up is I didn't have a dark blue out, and this is the ultramarine, or maybe it's a phthalo. I'm not sure, but I put a little white in it, made it into a pastel, and then I put some gray into it, which made almost kind of greenish. I can mess around with that, but that's good for now. So let me show you how to make a nice purple, which is to take a little bit of oh, that's old. A little bit of this, which is we'll call it quinceridone, but it's really your magenta, and you take a little bit of this blue and you mix it up, you get a nice purple. That's almost like a dioxin purple, which you can buy in a tube. Let's see what happens when we put a little put a little bit of white into it. You know, it's a lot nicer than the purple that we mixed up. And this can either go red or blue. And it kind of went blue when I put a little bit of color in it. Okay, so that's one way of mixing purple. It's like this kind of blue, which is a phthalo blue, and your magenta, that'll give you a really nice blue. I'm just going to show you a couple weirdo colors, which are this blue with a little bit of black makes an indigo, which is like a lot of the blues and blacks that you'll be observing, and still a lot of the blues that you see or blacks that you see, well, especially blacks, will have kind of a bluish tint to them. So that's kind of a nice indigo color right there. It's the same color as jeans. Okay, so another nice color to mix up is black and red, which you would call oxblood, which is just a beautiful kind of earthy red. So with all these colors, you'll be able to mix up anything that you might observe. There are a couple other little colors, and I'm just going to show you this. I didn't have room on here, but this is a phthalo green, which I think I asked you to get in your kit. And you put a little bit of white in that, and it goes up to a really nice green. The more white you put in it, it really is a beautiful color. So you can kind of see that. It's quite different from this. So that's it.